Use this function for reheating and normal cooking, such as vegetables, macaroni, potatoes and meat. Press the microwave button repeatedly to set the power. Different types of foods require different amounts of power. You can refer the manual for more details. Now, turn the adjustable knob to set the cooking time. And then, press the jet start button to begin the function. Once cooking has started, you can still change the cooking time by either pressing the jet start button to add 30 seconds, or by turning the knob to increase or decrease the value.